Hey, I'm back. I haven't painted anything for about a week or so. I've been on a little trip to Boise and enjoying seeing the heart of America. Anyway, I'm going to do a Dutch blow this morning and not very many colors. I haven't used these combos, and so I thought I'd try something different. This blue is a mixture of teal topaz and a color shift. And this one, the purplish one is magenta, Arteza, and color shift. The purple is Tanzania, and the blue is one I made up myself. And I'm going to try some white lacing and some black lacing. And there you have it. So I'll be back when I get the white on, and we'll have some fun blowing around. Hold on. Well, I guess there's only one way to do this, and that's to jump in and get her done. I'm going to think I'll put one here and then maybe one there. So the question is, which colors do I put down first? And I think I'll start with a little of that, followed by this one. Ooh, that came out fast. This is, I know, I really get sick of saying I'm experimenting, but that's what I'm doing. I've never done anything. It's just like, oh, this is the second time I've done this. I really can't say that. Okay, so here's that little touch of black was black lacing, and this white is Amsterdam white lacing, and the black was Amsterdam what? One of the blacks. I can't see it. Okay. Oh boy. I better get my backsplashes going here and do a little blow over. Ready? Let that think for a minute. And you know, while that's thinking, I'm going to do, oh, what now? Yeah, I don't know anybody there. I'm going to do one here. What the heck, huh? I'm going to have fun. You know, if you don't have fun doing this, you shouldn't be doing it, right? That's right. I don't know if you guys like rock and roll, if you're as old as I am, but this Pandora really does play some fun music when you're from my age group. Okay, here's some blow over white. And a little bit more there. And what the heck, let's put a dot of black. One there and one there. All right, folks, here we go. Blow over. Okay, here we go. stopping. Well, I would stop if I could turn the darn thing off. Well, that's kind of, I like that. Let's get rid of some bubbles. This was a little fast one, wasn't it? And the black lacing seems to have, well, I don't know. I guess both the black and the white are doing their thing. Gosh darn it, that's kind of cool. I'll let that sit for a few minutes. I see some bubbles that didn't want to pop. And I'll be back. I may take the mini blower. Oh, hell, let's just do it now. Get it over with while you're watching. Ready? Alrighty, torch it again, and we'll be back in a few minutes. Let this visit with itself, intermingle, and get to know the colors, and we'll be back. Alrighty, there we are. I do believe I just let it sit there and meditate, and I think I'm done. I'll bring it in for a close-up. There's some really fun things going on. It's like mother of pearl on steroids. This color combination turned out pretty darn good if you're into purples and blues. Not one of my favorite combinations, but you know you got to spread your wings and try different colors, or somebody would call you boring. So there you have it. I like it. I do. So I'll take a still shot and put together a video package, and we'll call this good. This is Richard B. saying thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time, I hope.